Aptera's Beta SEV beat a Tesla Model 3 and Audi R8 GT Spider in a drag race. What the hell is an app? Oh my God.
Remember the Aptera?
Yes, I do.
The solar car?
The one-seater
Yes.
ran off solar panels. What did they do? They beefed it up. It's probably really light.
This is their beta version, which actually beat the Audi by, well, I mean, it's arguable, but they were neck and neck. And they had like a video.
Solar EV startup Aptera Motors posted a video that puts the beta version of its upcoming SEV against an alpha version, a Tesla Model 3, and an alpha version of the same car, and an Audi R8 GT Spider in a desert drag race. It's a close race. The Aptera appears to just barely edge out the competition in a quarter-mile sprint.
Yeah, the Tesla Model 3, I think it's recorded as an old one, maybe before 2020 version.
Not even a performance or anything like that.
Yeah, so that one was third. And then the Spider and this Aptera was, I think, first and second. There is very close for them.
Weren't they supposed to bring one over here?
Yeah, I think we're still working on it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I would love to check this thing out. I mean, it is such a wild looking. Look at it, Mo.
So that's the Alpha, Model 3, the Beta, and the Audi.
I mean,
the Spider. Yeah.
I don't want to have a collision with that car, but I do want to have a rip. What did you say, Mo?
Out for a rip?
I might want to go out for a rip in the Aptera.
Yeah.
Wow, look how close that is at the line. Holy.
I see what you're saying about like arguable.
And I suppose another thing they're showing off here is how much better Gen 2 is from Gen 1, because you see Gen 1 all the way on the top. The key for these guys is just how lightweight it is.
Yeah.
It's,
what can we take out of the car?
Yeah, they made it so incredibly lightweight, and it all has to do with your power to weight ratio. You know things like this, Mo.
I know a few things.
Power to weight ratio. That was the. Have you ever heard of the manufacturer Koenigsegg?
No.
Show those. Show one of those, Will.
I don't even know how to spell it.
No, nobody does. You don't know how to spell it or say it, but they had a car called One, I believe, and they were aiming at a 1-to-1 ratio. Let's see if you can bring it up.
Is it 1?
I think it might be. Yeah, there it is.
The 1-1.
Look at that. Lovely.
Whoa.
Yeah, Will, forget about the Bronco. This is what you got to pull up in.
Imagine Otis just jumping out of that car.
1,341 horsepower.
I don't have that Tim Cook money.
Look how low it is. You don't even want to drive that, Will. Imagine around town. You're going to be so stressed out with that.
Yeah.
See, that's the thing. If you're trying to buy a car, multi-million-dollar car.
Yeah.
You
have a multi-million-dollar liability.
No, but I'm saying you got to have tens of millions of dollars to even feel comfortable driving it.
Right.
That it's not really even that big of a deal. That's what people need to. And even then, you got people that don't even get into it. Mm-hmm. I don't even think Tim Cook. Remember when they were talking about Tim Cook's house getting leaked, and it was just like a regular street? Mm-hmm. There was no gate, nothing. They're like, wait a second, the guy's got $1 billion.
Yeah,
what's going on here? Solar powered Aptera. It's very cool. If you haven't checked them out, check out the website. And Will said we're getting in the studio. He promised. So
yeah.